Comment tu t'appelles? What is your name? What is your name? What is your name? Qu'est-ce que tu fais? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Quelle nouvelle? What news? What news? What news? Comment ça va? How are you? How are you? How are you? Quel âge as-tu? How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? Tu viens d'où? Where are you from? Where are you from? Where are you from? Où vas-tu? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Que fais-tu dans la vie? What do you do? What do you do? What do you do? Quel est ton travail? What is your job? What is your job? What is your job? Qu'est-ce que c'est? What is this? What is this? What is this? Qui es-tu? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Qui est-il? Who is he? Who is he? Who is he? Qui est-elle? Who is she? Who is she? Who is she? Quand arrives-tu? When are you coming? When are you coming? When are you coming? Pourquoi es-tu ici? Why are you here? Why are you here? Why are you here? Why are you here? Combien ça coûte? How much is this? How much is this? How much is this? Combien de personnes? How many people? How many people? How many people? Peux-tu m'aider? Can you help me? Can you help me? Can you help me? Can you help me? Where do you live? Where do you live? Where do you live? Tu comprends? Do you understand? Do you understand?